There is little question as to which toy has influenced the most generations, retaining relevancy over decades of change and tumult. Indeed, this brand was named the world's most powerful brand in 2015, beating out titans like Ferrari and Apple. Yes, we're talking about Lego. The modern Lego brick, molded out of ABS plastic, was patented back in 1958, more than 50 years ago. The longevity and strength of the Lego brand is partially a testament to the timeless design and versatility of the basic Lego brick, exemplified by the iconic 2x4 brick. A design that has survived wars, social upheaval, and changing paradigms. This episode is not about this brick. Rather, it is about a Lego brick that came into existence later, had its day in the sun, then fell out of favor when a new kid came onto the scene. Introduced in 1972 as part of Lego's Expert Builder series, the Technic brick is emblematic of Lego's attempt to target a wider age demographic. The design has many brilliant notes, but was problematic in other areas. Design of Things 3, Technically Triumphant Technic bricks. Aesthetically, the Technic beam is unapologetically blocky, quintessentially Lego, but lacking smooth faces used in creating solid objects. The biggest difference with a standard block is the inclusion of the holes through the beam. The holes are centered in between pairs of studs. The hole is larger in diameter and close to the face to allow for Technic pins to snap into place, flush with the brick. Additionally, perpendicular Lego bricks can snap firmly into the holes, once an illegal technique. From the bottom, we can see that compared to a standard Lego brick, the Technic brick is virtually identical, the same layout and thickness of the plastic. Indeed, that is one of its greatest assets, the ability to connect to standard Lego bricks. Interestingly, when we flip it over, we can see a marked difference to the design of the studs. The crater-esque studs, or knobs, has the Lego branding recessed into the hole. The diameter of the hole is such that a Lego bar, which is the size of an object that can be held in minifigure hands, fits snugly in the hole. Perhaps a feature not often used in official Lego sets, but added versatility nonetheless. Some suggest that this is a result of the molding process or a way to cut costs. The Technic brick is extremely versatile and functional, and has made many innovative designs a reality. So why did it fall out of favor at Lego? Why was its successor, the studless Technic lift arm, deemed necessary? Perhaps the first reason is simple aesthetics. The Technic brick created blocky, distinctively Technic designs. As the catalog of Lego parts expanded, more realistic sets were possible, closely mimicking real-world designs. Let's look at flagship Technic sets. 1988's Technic flagship, the Auto chassis, compared to 2018's Bugatti Chiron. Brand licensing made possible through more realism. Love it or hate it, brand licensing is what has kept Lego afloat in modern times. Still, let's have a moment of silence for my favorites: Space, Castle, and Pirates. There are also functional design reasons explaining why this switch was made. Brilliant and versatile as it is, the Technic brick has some issues. First, the vertical placement of the axle holes is non-standard on the bottom side. Look at this. This means that one-by-one integration is not possible, requiring some integration of spacer Lego plates. Weaknesses aside, there are many who argue that the Technic brick is superior to the lift arm. The lift arm is not intuitive for building and requires the builder to think many steps ahead as they design a model. For the casual builder, lift arm constructed sets are likely to remain built as Lego designed them, The Technic brick is a favorite of many, including me, ranking up there with the classic Lego brick, which we'll save for a later episode of Design of Things.